Alright, it's Thursday, November 26, 2020, Thanksgiving, 9:36 p.m. I just finished wiring up the 8 mini boost pucks to the 8 LEDs through the plug, and wired up the fan, and I'm about to test it out. I'm really afraid here because this has been a ton of work. It's very difficult to do this wiring here, and I'm afraid when I flip the switch here it's just gonna go up in smoke. So you know what I gotta do here, I gotta see if all 8 are working. So first I'll turn off the lights so we can see the ultraviolet going or not. Oh, you know what? We don't need to turn off the lights for that. We can, when I turn this on, if it's bright enough, you should see those lighting up. Woohoo! We do. Alright. So, let's have a look here. Alright. All 8 are glowing. It's a beautiful thing. Let's actually see it without the lights on. Alright. Excellent. Excellent, Smithers. Oh, let's see something here. 78%. That means, well, let's see, it just went down to 77. Well, you know what? I don't have a lot of, I don't have any heat paste on the LEDs now, so they're kind of not at the optimum cooling, so I guess that's the end of this experiment. It's good enough. They're working. Alright. Alright, high five. Okay, what do I got to do next? Now let me put my finger in here and see if there's a lot of heat. It is warm. Warm but not hot, but considering I only ran it for like a minute, well, from my previous experiment I guess it's about what I've expected. This thing went up to about 90 degrees and stayed there. So I expect that's about what these will do. Although this heatsink is a lot more substantial, so maybe it'll be a little bit lower. And then again, it also depends on how much airflow you got going through there. Things to be considered. Alright, success!